Hello everyone, and welcome back to Driving Theory Test UK, the channel for realistic hazard perception practice clips. Today we are practicing clip 4 in our hazard perception series. Before we start, let's quickly go over what hazard perception really means, how you can train your eyes and brain to spot danger early. Just like in real driving, the hazard perception test isn't about noticing every little thing that moves. It's about spotting developing hazards, things that could make you slow down, stop, or change direction. For example, a car pulling out of a junction, pedestrians stepping into the road, or a cyclist swerving into your lane. Whenever you see something that might make you react, that's when you should click. Keep your eyes moving, don't stare at one spot, scan the road ahead, check pavements, junctions, and pot curve. Think of it like watching a movie, but you are the driver inside it. When you spot something that could become a hazard, that's when you should click. If it continues to develop, you can click again once or twice. But avoid clicking too often, or it may look like you're just clicking in a pattern. Alright, now that we are ready, let's jump to clip 4. Here is a phrase to remember. Scan, spot, click, stay calm. Scan the road, spot the hazard, click when it develops, and stay calm for the next one. Start scanning the road ahead. It's a quiet road so far. No developing hazards yet. Keep your eyes moving. You'll notice a few pedestrians on the pavement. This isn't a developing hazard yet. Watching the road ahead. Keep scanning. Keep watching the road ahead. Now there's a tractor approaching from the side road. As soon as I saw it, I clicked twice just to make sure my response was registered. Keep watching. Sometimes clicks contain more than one hazard. All right, the clip has ended. Let's talk about how that went. So I scored 5 out of 5, and here's why. My first click was slightly early, but my second click was right on the spot. That's exactly why I recommend clicking twice. When you see a developing hazard, it increases your chance of scoring full marks. Now let's review the clip. At the beginning, everything looked normal. No hazards developing. No developing hazard here. No developing hazard here. Then the tractor pulling out became the developing hazard in this clip. That was the exact moment to click for maximum points. As you can see here, that was the perfect opportunity to score all marks. First click was just a little early, but my second click landed exactly in the scoring zone. This is why we often recommend clicking twice when you spot a hazard. Sometimes you might click a bit too early, and the DVSA scoring system won't register that. By clicking a second time, you make sure your response is recorded in the right timing window. That helps you secure the highest possible score. Now let's continue watching the clip. After that hazard, there were no more developing situations. But keeping your eyes scanning the road was exactly the right approach. This clip is a perfect reminder that early observation and steady focus are the keys to success in your hazard perception test. So I hope today the clip helped build your awareness and confidence for the real test. Keep training your eyes and notice those small clues. These small clues could be a car wheel turning out, a pedestrian near the curb. Stay calm, stay alert, and you'll master hazard perception in no time. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and comment what type of content you'd like to see next. And also check out the full hazard perception practice playlist and keep watching for the next one. We'll see you in clip 5.